The terrain concept has been really fundamental in understanding how the geology of Western Canada and Western United States has developed. We recognize now that this whole belt along Western North America consists of many, many different terrains. The current estimate is around 200 terrains or something like this that people think are sufficiently different from those rocks that they are juxtaposed against or sit next to, that they probably formed at some distance from each other and have now been brought into contact with one another. The composition of these terrains varies tremendously. We see some of the terrains are clearly pieces of ocean floor. Some of them are what we refer to as island arcs. They're things that formed in along the edges of continents or as chains of islands within in ocean basins. And all of these different terrains have been brought together and smashed together and amalgamated into one large, geologically very, very complicated area that we call it the Cordilleran origin of the Cordilleran belt that makes up the belt of mountainous rocks along the western edge of North America. It's had a very, very long and complicated history, and it's been tremendously challenging trying to sort out the history of the evolution, the history of assembly of this area, because it is so complicated. But the recognition of terrains was which occurred in the early 1970s, was a really fundamental stage in actually getting to the point that we could understand how this very complicated bunch of rocks could have actually formed.